Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to align text left and right on the same line. First, open your Word file. There, go to the Insert menu. In Table Options, you are going to choose a 4-for-1 table. When added, it adjusts the columns to the ideal dimension. Once you have made the settings, click on the cross sign to select the table. Lugo right-clicks on it and opens Table Properties. Here, click on Borders and Shading. After this, activate the None box and click OK in both windows to apply the changes. As a result of this, the table lines will not be visible. Here, select the first cell and you can paste the text. This will be located to the left of the document. Then select the second cell and paste new text. You can see that it will be to the right of the document. The text will now be distributed to the right and left in Word. Select the table and configure the text if you need it. Another way to use is to paste the text into a new document. You are going to select all the text. Then, in the Layout menu, click on Columns and then choose Option 2. This will cause the entered text or the new one added to be divided into 2 paragraphs on the right and left. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.